This is my next DIY project. This is my wall sconces for my bedroom. They are a little bit too chrome for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of nickel, add a little bit of gunmetal, and a little bit of champagne color to them just to kind of make them how I want. So this is before, and then I'll show you after. Alright, so here is the finished product here. Y'all seen they were really chrome silver yesterday. And basically, let me show you close up. So as you can see, I definitely aged it a bit. And I'm proud of that. As you can see, the back is still a really chrome silver. So as you can see, that's the color it was. And like I said, I added some aginess to it, and I'm very happy about it. And all I did was use gunmetal paint. I didn't use the other paints like I thought I was going to use. My camera did die as I was getting ready to show y'all what I did, but all I did was I blotted it with a paper towel. So I put some on there, and I just used a paper towel and blotted here and there, and I put some, you know, a little bit here and there just to kind of make it look aged. So yeah, that's the finished product. So on to the next DIY. Alright guys, here is the next do-it-yourself project, DIY. This is going to be a Dollar Tree, I'm about to say Dollar Tree haul, but this is, I purchased these items from Dollar Tree and also Dollar General. So basically, all of these flowers here came from Dollar Tree. Every single one of them came from Dollar Tree. And I think y'all can see, yeah. And this here, which is the foam where you would stick the flowers in, this also came from Dollar Tree. It has either a block or you can have individual. I got individual because I didn't know how much I would need. I didn't want to get a whole brick and have to cut so much off because they make a mess. Also, I showed you these a long time ago. Hair stuff, trash. They've been sitting for a while. This came from Dollar General. I've been having this since last year. I can honestly tell you that they still have these. So just to let you know, if you're looking for these I don't know what they're called. but they look like they can be used for keeping your mail in, like a mail holder. However, I'm using this as a vase, and I'm gonna hang it on each side of my window. So I'm gonna be putting the flowers in here. So let's go ahead and get started and see how this works out. All right. Yeah, so just as simple as that. All we did was make flowers in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other, and I'll come back and show you both of them. Try and do a replica of this one. Once I get done, I'll put maybe more flowers and put some a little higher. But as of right now, this is how it looks. I'm pretty pleased with it. I like it a lot. All right, so there you have it. I am done. And it came out really pretty. You can't really tell on camera just how pretty it is. This is gonna go really pretty on the wall with the peaches and the whites with the pinks. A little bit of greenery, of course, just to kind of leave it more homey, if that makes sense. Not so just colorful, you know, add a little greenery in there. So I think it came out really pretty. I didn't end up using this. I was gonna, you know, put that in there to make it have a little height to it, but I felt like it was just doing the most, especially because my colors are not green. So this is how it looks. Like I said, it does not do justice on camera or whatnot. But basically, I just kind of stuck them in there. You can't see the stuff inside, so I don't need to add any kind of moss or anything. And so I think they came out like really pretty. To say it's Dollar Tree flowers, and you know, I have no regrets or whatnot at all. But I like it. I like it. I mean, like I said, it looks so much better in person. But this is a DIY that you can actually do to bring some spruceness to your, you know, home, office, wherever, and basically just, you know, get you a cute little item that has a hole in it like this and add you some little styrofoam in there and add you some flowers, and you have you don't have to use a typical vase. You know, everybody's so used to, oh, put in a vase, put in the bottle type stuff, but you can use anything for your vase. And so that's gonna be my floral. And I may go buy some more of the same floral and put some in a vase that I'm gonna sit on my storage unit. So I'll probably get some more flowers just to kind of blend that in and kind of keep it, you know, all cordial and stuff. So anyway, that's them, y'all. I think it came out really pretty. It just has no justice on the camera. I promise you it looks so much better in person. So much better in person. So much better in person. Alright guys, thanks again for joining me in another do-it-yourself project. These here were the closest I can find to the Zen